Meet the Mayku FormBox, a desktop vacuum former that brings your business to life, powered by any vacuum cleaner. It works with a world of materials to help you turn your ideas into amazing products. First, make your design and place it on the bed. The FormBox molds a 3D shape in seconds. Take it out and start a production line right from your tabletop. Use clever materials to bring your imagination to life, like brilliant blue chocolates and personalised packaging. For brands that look as good as they taste, the FormBox puts the power of making in your hands. Use it with your 3D printer to build professional models in your studio. With high-quality materials and finishes, rapidly create product prototypes to show clients your vision in real life. Ready to be your own boss? Make short runs of original, bespoke products from home. Take even the most simple idea and watch your business clean up. Sometimes you don't want to design from scratch. Explore our online library of projects. Find inspiration together to customize your home. Bring your next invention to life and give your 3D printer superpowers. Turn things lying around the house into tasty treats, or create the perfect prototype on your schedule to shape your vision your way. Start creating beautiful products, mold intricate shapes into remarkable objects. Put the power of making in your hands with the Mayku FormBox.